Hey guys, today it's March 24 and it's currently 9:50 p.m. Meron kaming educational tour sa Ilocos, which is 3 days and 2 nights. Call time namin doon is around 12:30 a.m. And hinihintay ko na lang yung dalawang kasama. Pupunta na rin kami sa CL ng mga 11 p.m. Ready na. Ready na. Naka-ready na ang bagahe, guys.
We used to have each other's playlists. No.
Guys, nandito na kami. Pre, nahihilo ka na ba? Nahihilo ka na ba?
Oo naman, tropa.
Tara na, tara na. Tatay na siya, guys.
Maganda lang siya gusto. Emergency yun. Ayos na pag binunggo ako gano'n. Sakit ng pipin ko. Si Rashid pala yung kalaban niya eh. Tayo mo, pre, tayo mo. Mali. Tayo mo.
Pupwesto.
Anak ka kasi ng anak
Sa may
eh.
likod.
Sa likod po kami kasi magagawan at magbabaraka.
Plastic side. Yan lang talaga ako shop. Tanga hindi ako makatutog pag wala.
Ano siya?
Lumalayo yata kayo.
Puta. Okay, the mastermind JC. G na ba, G? Present. Update guys, sa La Union na kami. Kumusta yung tulog?
Good sleep. Decent. Yan tulog ba ako? Yan ba tulog ko?
Sa CL pa lang tayo, nakatulog ka na.
Natin CL. Nagising ako na ni alas 3.
Nag-anong tayo?
Tapos nagbas stop cover tayo doon. Tapos ngayon 3, mga 6 hours or 5 hours.
6 hours lang ako. Parang smooth lang. Smooth lang.
for all of you to ignite your passion para mas lalong pagbutihin at pagtitingin at pag-aaral. O pwede nyo ibaba yung
SK. SK.
Go, dads.
Sige po.
Hey, hey, hey.
I crawled to my room, shared pleasure. I think I'm gonna fall right through. All my lips are lying on the ground, and I'm climbing back in if I ever come.
Ayan, punta na lang tayo dun sa mga palistahan.
Ready ka na ba may alikabukan? Ayan na. Sand dunes guys. Sand dunes.
It's
Hey, natuloy na ang dagat. Tara magdagat. Mabagsak na ang talukap. Tutuyo ang luha. The Fort Ilocano Resort.
Kabuso ko, nanananananaan.
Kami po ay mag-seminar ngayon.
Napakalaki mo.
Hi guys.
And they produce the most important thing in the world, that is oxygen. Okay? Construction pa lang ng hotel mo, magtitibag ka dyan, maghuhukay ka dyan, magkukuha ng ano ka dyan. Tapos, ni isang empleyado sa neighborhood, wala kang i-hire. What's the point? Gets nyo ba? Okay, it's all about you in the community. So when you have a business establishment being built in your neighborhood, ask, what is it there for? If there's no contribution to the welfare of the people in the community, might as well not have it built in the first place. So we contribute to the welfare of the community. Scholarship grants, we do that. We donate classes. Look at me there in the checkered. You see that guy in the checkered? That was me 2 years ago. Alright? But because of
Natapos na guys. Natapos na yung seminar guys. Naantok kami. Ha? Pipitik ka? Pipitikin ko kayo isa-isa eh. My God.
1, 2, 3.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? You said that we're over, hands undercover.
Ayan o, talaga naman. May mag-a-apply na sa ano? Sa hotel.
Baka mamaya kunin na kami eh.
Oh. So ka din dito na eh. ka na alam rin.
Daming guys, dami. Hindi natin ito maubos.
Birds are carrying me softly.
Hi guys, we're on the next stop. Sa lunch. Dito kami magla-lunch sa Evangeline Resort.
Wala na yung ano. Iniwan nila yung pagkakita. Next.
Hi! Ano, kamusta naman ang araw? Ayun sila, naglalaro sila. Oh.
Wala si Jesse Kawawa. Ganun nyo ha. Swimming kayo ha.
Swimming pa. Tignan mo naman yung pinuntahan namin.
Oo, talaga naman. Time-lapse kaya tayo.
Okay guys, it's dinner time. It's dinner time.
Yun may pinakamalalim? Oo.
Mga turn namin ngayon yung ano. Mamadali na eh. Late na rin naman na. Dinner for tonight.
Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo ba ang iyong damdamin? Hayaan na lang tumibol ang puso mo para sa akin.
Okay guys, after all happening, it's time to swim. Last day naman na namin dito.
Yes. Last day.
Last day, susulitin yung 11K. Uy, ayan na. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Siyempre hindi. Happy birthday, tropa ko. Happy birthday. Eto, tulog pa. Happy birthday, Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Nakaantok pa.
Thank you.
Tala na may...
Morning, Hey. Sarap. We are on the last destination.
Right here in the passenger seat,